everybody, it's Mark. Hey, I want to let you know I have a video coming up you don't want to miss. It's kind of an expose of a former trusted name in our country, transmission company that I've had to deal with for the last month and a half. I'm going to let you know how their business practices, and you can figure out if you want to deal with them in the future or not. But I want to make sure everybody knows the way they work. And so anyway, it's been a little while since I had a video out, but subscribers are up, and be looking for that video. Please be looking for that video. Like, share, and subscribe. Remember, they may do it another way, but that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.